Hello YouTube. Another beautiful day in Georgia, and I went by Harley Davidson today because when I bought the new Harley, which I'm going to go over in another video, my wife said she did not want to have that little sissy bar behind her when she goes on rides with me on the motorcycle. So you know what this is. This is the new Tour-Pak for the motorcycle. It's a king size, so because that's the only one you're going to be able to get in order to get the one with the full chair, the high back, so she can be comfortable. So we got the Tour-Pak here, and then this big box here is the seat, and then this is the rack to put it all on top of. So we're going to I'll unbox this all, and we'll go from there. All right, and I'm gonna take you guys with me on the unboxing, as well as putting everything together and getting it on the bike. Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to my garage, and today I'm going to be unboxing a Tour-Pak for my motorcycle. Again, my wife wanted some comfort and didn't want the sissy bar, so it just came in today. I picked it up, and now we're going to unbox it, and we're going to put it on here. We'll go through the steps, see what it looks like, and let's get to it. All right, so let's get this opened up. It's actually wrapped pretty good. Lots of bubble wrap. Oh, look at that. That looks nice. All right, so this is the Tour-Pak for the 2019 Street Glide CVO. So it's a perfect match. Oh, and that paint feels so nice. So it doesn't feel like that on my motorcycle. I have to wax it. All right, so next thing is the seat for this thing. Okay, here's the seat backing that goes on the Tour-Pak. Again, it's for the 2019 Street Glide CVO. Same stitching. So I took the seat off of, I took the rear seat off of my motorcycle because I usually ride solo. But here's the rear seat. Obviously it has the same stitching. And you know, it'll go like that. Actually, this will be a little higher. But again, I'm changing the seat anyway, so this is not going to be that relevant. And as you can see on the back, it comes with hardware right here, and this screws. Here's the two screws right here and right here, and that goes into these two holes on the back of here, and then this will just be against here like that. I already showed it to my wife. She's very excited. All right, and then there's one more piece. Actually, there's two more pieces. Okay, as I said, there's two more pieces. Here's one of them, and this came today as well. This is what everything is going to rest on. And it also has hardware some instructions. And the last thing that you need, I didn't have to purchase because it was already on the motorcycle, are these. And this is what, this goes on the motorcycle and this attaches to it. Now they have inserts. I have inserts on the motorcycle that replaces those if you don't want to keep those on your motorcycle. And here they are right here. Same color as the motorcycle. And there's a screw right here and another screw right here. You know, all you have to do is loosen the saddlebag. You don't have to take the saddlebag all the way off, although I did before. And screw those out. These two pieces come out. And then you simply slide those other pieces in. We'll go through that. But this is everything that you need. It's not going to be difficult at all. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to count those together. 4 and 5 pieces, along with the hardware. All right, get to it. Now, I know I said that you have to loosen the saddlebags to take these inserts out. But as you can see in this video, I didn't have to loosen the saddlebags at all. All I simply did was place a tile between the saddlebag and my power screwdriver just to make sure that I didn't cause any damage to the paint. If there was any damage to the paint, it would have been on a part of the saddlebag that you can't see anyway unless the bag is open. But just to be safe, I covered it up. And also, that's only really relevant to this screw that's closest to the front of the motorcycle. The screw that's in the back is free and clear from any damage. So I have these pieces removed. These brackets are installed. And now we're ready to put that on. So I'm probably going to, I'll see if I can do it myself first. And if not, I'll get some assistance from the wife. But as you can see, even though this was moved, you know, I kind of sped it along on the video to save time. It's not difficult at all. There's not a lot of parts. And you know, when you have the right tools and the right tool parts to be able to get pieces like this on and off quickly, that helps out a lot as well. All right, so now on to that piece. This is a video of the motorcycle without the Tour-Pak on it. I want to do a before and an after. So a couple of things I want to point out about this Tour-Pak. First thing is, I love it. I love the paint color because it's the same color as the motorcycle. It's the exact same color. Now, if I had a black motorcycle, I was looking online for aftermarket parts for Tour-Paks, and they did have some CVO aftermarket parts, but not this color. And I told myself I'm not going to change it. I'm not going to be putting this on often anyway. I'm only going to put it on for when my wife comes with me, which is not that often. But, and I said to myself, will I care if it doesn't match exactly? And the answer is yes, I would care. I mean, I'm very particular about stuff like that. It would bother me. Even if nobody else noticed it, I would notice it. So, yes, I had to break down and get the more expensive one from Harley Davidson. But I'm glad that I did because it looks phenomenal. It matches perfectly. Now, my issue is, if you pay this much money for a Tour-Pak, and with the Tour-Pak and then the seat and then the mounting bracket, it's over $2,000. Look at this. I mean, unbelievable. It doesn't come with a lock. That's unbelievable. So now that means I have to go back to Harley Davidson, give them the VIN number, so that they can give me a key that also fits the saddlebags. I mean, that's just absurd. But you know what? This is another reason why Harley Davidson is having problems, because then everything is kind of overpriced, so they kind of alienate a whole class of motorcycle riders because everything is just so much more expensive. And then even while you're spending that much money, you still have to deal with stuff like this, just tack-ons. I don't like tack-ons. Okay, so the Tour-Pak is complete. It's installed. I had my wife come out. She sat on it. She was excited. I sat on it also so she can see how it's going to feel. I said, let me know when you want to go for a ride. She said, you tell me whenever you want to go. I said, okay, let's go right now. She said, no, she's not going right now. So that's pretty much how that worked. But this thing is actually adjustable. You can move it forward or backwards. I moved it all the way back. There is a little gap right here. I asked her if she wanted me to move it up, and she said, no, it's fine. But this seat and this seat, this is all temporary because I ordered a new seat, because this is the original seat that came with this motorcycle. It pushes me too far forward. I feel like, you know, I'm right up on the gas tank, and when I make sharp turns, I have to kind of spread my legs, otherwise the handlebars are hitting my inner thighs. But I'm also going to order some, right now there's foot pegs for the passenger. I'm going to order the floorboards for the passenger. That's a lot more comfortable. And that's going to do it for this video. So thank you for joining me. Thank you for tuning into the channel. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified anytime I post future videos, hit that notification bell. All right, guys, take care. Be safe. Wear those masks.